What is a brand? How do you differentiate your brand? Among so many choices, how do you create the connection and attract customers? We help you to stand out and stay ahead. With years of experience, expertise, passion, integrity, and urge for excellence, we are here to understand your requirement to enhance your business, to enhance your digital presence, to upscale your brand image. How? Through our people. Performance, speed, efficiency, and creative ideas, by leading the journey and the future of how businesses will market themselves, creating the connection between business and people. One company, one focus, complete marketing solutions for your business. We help you to stand out. That defines who we are. We are Digielephant.